Hey all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. I'm Darren, and today I'm going to do a review on the Inkbird IBT4XS Bluetooth Smart Wireless Barbecue Thermometer. So let me do a mini review on that, and I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to go over this Inkbird with you guys. Inkbird actually sent me one of these to review, and they sent me one to give away in the drawing that I just had on my Facebook group and page. So if you're not a part of my Facebook group and page, highly recommend you do that. There's a link down below where you can check that out. It's a really interactive site. But this Inkbird, they sent it to me to review. I've heard of Inkbird. Inkbird's been around for a few years. People would use their temperature controllers for crock pots and stuff, and some of them actually still do before the sous vide units got really cheap. I know Inkbird's been around for a while and doing this kind of thing, but this particular unit is a Bluetooth wireless barbecue thermometer with 4 probes. And one of the things I liked about it is the probes that come with it are actually, I think, are better quality than some of the ones that I had in my old Maverick barbecue thermometers that cost me $50 or $60. I've used this 5 or 6 times already, and I haven't had any issues with the temps being off. I've double checked it with my instant read thermometer, and actually with the thermometer that goes into the Camp Chef directly. So I haven't had any issues with the calibration of this unit. One of the things I do like, it's very compact. This does come with 4 probes. 4 probes just like this, and like I said, these are high quality probes. Very simple to use. You use this with a app on your iPhone, Android, iPad, any kind of mobile device, and the app is free. Download it. It automatically will pair up with your app, so it's very easy to pair up with. All you do is plug your probes in, it will automatically read them and automatically start reading out on your app. So very easy to use. It also has the different meats and different kinds of foods in there in the app that you can touch for chicken, what have you, the preset temperatures. But you can also do a custom of the temp that you're looking for. And one of the things I really like about that, compare it to my old Mavericks that I used to use, is the old Mavericks, everything was on their their unit, and it was really hard to try to change it to the different meats and the different probes on the unit itself. This here is Bluetooth, so this has a lot farther range than the radio frequency ones like the Maverick have. This is supposed to have up to 150 feet. That would be a direct line of sight, though. It is Bluetooth, so it won't go through a lot of walls and windows. It's not Wi-Fi where it's connected through a router. This is actually Bluetooth, so it does have a lot farther range than the radio frequency, but you still have to have a pretty decent line of sight. So I would say it's probably quadruple the range of my old Mavericks were. I have no problem with walking 150 feet away from it and it's still working if I got a good line of sight. My Maverick, I would have to be 10 feet away from it for it order to work real well. So I do like the app. Like I said, the app is really simple to use and it's really easy to use. Free to download. It comes with the 4 probes. It comes with 2 of these little holders for putting it on your grill grate, because what you can do, since it's got 4 probes, you can monitor 2 different grills and 2 different meats if you want to. So, and it'll show up on your app, and you can tell it in the app what it is, if it's meat or if it's just a grill, or you can manually set either one. It also comes with this charger. This doesn't have batteries, changeable batteries in it. This has a rechargeable battery, lithium ion. So it comes with this USB charger. It does not come with the little adapter that you plug into your power outlet to plug your USB in, so you have to have one of those in order to use it, or you can plug it into a laptop, anything with a USB port on it already. So far I like it. I haven't had any issues with temps. I've used it 5 or 6 times, like I said, and everything seems to work fine, both monitoring the grill and the food. One of the things I do like also is it does have a power switch on the back, a manual one, but it also, if you take all the probes out, it will automatically shut off after a while if it's not reading any temperatures. So it saves your battery. But also, there's a little button on the front here that you can push that will shut this off instead of having to go and shut it off on the back. So you can just push this button right here in the front to turn it on or off, and that's also a way for it to sync up to the app. Another thing it has on it, it's got a big magnet on the back here, real powerful one, that you can attach this to another grill, a side shelf, anything made of metal. It will stick to it, but it will also, it's pretty compact, so it sits anywhere and stays out of your way. It's not taking up a whole lot of room. But other than that, guys, one of the things I read online on Amazon, somebody complained that the screen wasn't very bright, but if you can see that, I mean, it's pretty bright, and I don't know why they would say the screen's not bright. The only thing I can figure is they didn't take there's a protective coating that's on there when you first get it that's kind of darker, and that's the only thing I can figure is they didn't peel that off to be able to see the numbers well. So other than that, it works great so far. Make sure you check it out. I'll have a link to it below in the description. It's also in my Amazon store. There's a link to my Amazon store down below. But check them out, guys. Like I said, I've had no problems with this so far, and I really like it. And compared to the old Mavericks, the old, radio frequency thermometers, this is hands down a lot better. So, I mean, I could say it's 200% better than any of the old Mavericks I've ever had. So, check them out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, follow us on our Facebook group, Facebook page, and I'll see you again on the next video. Thanks.